everyone, I'm here to discuss to you some audio and visual content creations tools and application. And today, I will discuss video, presentation, and memes. Now, let's start. First, we have video. These tools and applications allow users to edit and create video online. And here's some examples of video. WeVideo, Photon, and YouTube Video Editor. And for our second topic, we have presentation. These tools and applications let the user utilize image, video, and graphics on their presentations to get into the minds of their target audience. And here's some examples of presentation: Prezi, HiCodec, and Emaze. And for our last topic, we have memes. The internet is full of color images and videos because audience love them and sharing them. Memes get copied and spread rapidly. These applications and tools make memes creations easier. And here's some examples of memes: Imgur, Range Comics Generator, and Quick Memes. And that will be all for today. Thank you for listening. That's the end of my presentations. Have a nice day. Thank you.